Tikha.
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 What the fuck?
Once again, we're back in Bandra West.
I genuinely don't think I've had a better cocktail.
Very good.
These guys have nailed it. Like, it's very tastefully done.
This is exactly what I was saying. New vintage.
New vintage.
New vintage.
There we go. हर
Damn.
औरत का ख्वाब होता है. बहनचोद.
Benchot.
काला सुसु. एक चुटकी सिंदूर.
Welcome back to another episode of Where to Drink in Mumbai. And today, once again, we're back in Bandra West. But I promise you, man, फिर से नहीं आएंगे यहाँ पे. But today we had to because the friend that I'm going out for drinks with happens to be a Bandra girlie. Yeah, we're going to be hitting up two of the most Instagrammable drinking spots in all of Mumbai. Sorry, bhai. Sorry. Stop number one is the very, very iconic Olive Bandra.
What up?
She's looking pretty Instagrammable already, so I guess we're on theme.
Sup, bitch? You're late.
I am. We were getting some aesthetic shots of Bandra because that's what this episode is about. It's about aesthetics. It's about Instagram.
You owe me alcohol.
We will get you a lot of alcohol. Welcome to Where to Drink in Mumbai.
Hi. Hello. Nice.
Hi, bro. Sure, nice to meet you. You've been to Olive before?
Yes. If you want to impress a chick, this is the place to bring her.
Okay, well.
Yeah.
All the boys who are watching because only boys are watching. I was not given entry very easily. I had to pull some contacts.
If
And
you were a prettier looking guy, you would have gotten entry a lot easier.
a smoked old fashioned it is for her, and I'll have a Roselle gin sour.
Oh, that smells.
I want to like bottle this and
Okay,
put
we
it
can-
in like a perfume.
but we can-
I genuinely don't think I've had a better cocktail
In life?
in life.
That's, guys,
That's really
That
something.
says a lot.
I don't think I've ever had, and I drink a lot.
that's what I'm about.
I genuinely feel like there is something so sexy
About?
about cocktail making.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, like this must be such a lady killer thing. Yeah, look at him, lady killer, right there.
एक
I love
चुटकी
that.
सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
सुहागिन का सर का ताज होता है एक चुटकी सिंदूर.
अरे
हर
damn.
औरत का ख्वाब होता है एक चुटकी सिंदूर.
That's crazy, dude. Respect. Floral, little bit of citrusy, nice and foamy. I love that.
I see it. I think it's very obvious from the color of our drinks who wears the pants in this friendship.
Well, I don't. Huge props to the playlist curator here.
Yes.
I think the vibes are being set very, very well. Very jazz, very Mediterranean, very New York, I guess. So Olive's drinks, Olive's aesthetic, Olive's playlist, and you've got a girl.
Yeah, 100% panty dropper.
And
right there.
also huge debt in your bank account because this shit ain't cheap, brothers.
If you had to pick the most Instagrammable spot,
Honestly, all of it is great. I really love this.
So you want to hang on it and we click a picture?
No, we'll just do
Acha.
like a low angle. Oh,
Oh.
should we take a selfie?
Okay.
Let's take a selfie. Let's do it for the gram.
Okay, so what's the spot? See, I have the spot in my head.
Where?
I love the mirrors that side. I think
Oh,
it's
those are pretty.
those
The bar is very pretty.
Bar is very
yeah.
pretty.
And the bartenders are very pretty as well. Wait, do you not want to bottoms up this?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Bottoms
But
up. Chin chin. चलो बताओ next क्या.
How is not done yet?
जल्दी ये अरे और बाकी थोड़ा बचा है.
All right. So
Are we allowed to swear on
अरे man, we are encouraged to swear on this.
Encouraged to swear on this.
Yes, especially in Hindi.
Benchod.
Yes, curse
More
words.
guttural.
Yes.
They have a monsoon special menu.
Okay.
So we are gonna get one Mirage
Okay.
and one Sirocco.
Topped up with a little laddu. Cheers.
Cheers to you guys. Thank you.
Okay, this is my kind of drink.
Alright.
It's got the mithas
This
in
is
it,
so
but
nice.
it's also pretty spirit forward, which is what I need my drinks to be.
This is a very strong like flavor of orange, which is so nice. It's so nice. It's amazing.
It is pretty tropical, dude. I'm into it.
I have a body scrub that tastes exactly like this. I haven't tasted the body scrub. No. Hold on. I haven't tasted the body. Do you want to share one?
No. Never. There's only one way I share my cocktails.
Love me or picante.
Jhag.
Big flag. Cilantro foam.
Cilantro chop.
Cilantro jug.
Oh, well, that will get us views for sure. Very good.
You have jhag on your nose.
Always
No, on the lap, on the lap.
gentleman.
Napkin on the lap.
Like this.
I'm sorry, mom.
Don't confuse this with tandoori chicken. This is some sort of a Spanish chicken.
Senor Pak Pak.
Very excited about these fries.
I need a knife.
Dude,
Yeah,
these are fucking incredible. What the fuck? I'm trying to get the recipe for this, man.
Yeah, we need to learn how to make this.
What?
Sexy interiors, sexy cocktails, sexy food, sexy chicks.
Oh, well. Always cut the meat for the lady like that.
Don't touch my meat.
What is
It's so
What are the
good.
flavors? Like charred? It kind of
It's
looks.
Mediterranean. It's not Indian at all.
Yeah. Your favorite cocktail?
Coriander jhag, smoky old-fashioned
Yeah.
thing. This guy, my delicious, lovely orange bitter.
The
what
one,
is it
the
called?
mezcal one.
The
This is
mezcal one.
Sirocco.
The Sirocco. This bonbon coconut
Mirage.
mirage, and then the pretty pink one.
I'm gonna say for me it's the smoked old fashioned. I'm gonna put that as first. The off menu picante as second. This as third. Pink wala as fourth. And this is gonna be my fifth one.
There are no words. Oh my god, there's no words.
Although I'm wondering if it's called olive, why don't they have olive in the trees and like what is
These
that?
are olive branches.
मुझे लग रहा था नींबू उग रहे भाई.
No. Don't.
ये असली हैं? Leaves are real.
You fool.
That's crazy. So all of them get changed. That's incredible.
It's too good.
I'm thoroughly impressed right now, man. It's an iconic spot. It looks beautiful. The drinks are great. The food is great. The vibes are immaculate. Looks aesthetic. Also, the party at night, if that's what you're looking for, is also banger. If you want to try to come at Friday night, if you're lucky, you'll get entry. If you're not,
Hang around with us.
well, we're guessing. You
Oh,
didn't
guessing? I didn't see.
say 12K.
13.
Okay.
8K.
8K. नहीं.
Fail.
ऐसा तो नहीं होगा यार.
Check कर.
ऐसा थोड़ी होता है.
Okay. Pop, 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 pop. What is it?
Oh, it's 10. You were actually close. It is 10,345.
Okay. Not bad at all, man.
That's actually very impressive. Very paisa vasool.
Very best of us.
So you're picking it up, right?
I will pick it up and then give it to you. Thank you so much.
Amazing.
Thank you so
The
much.
best time. I'll be back. I'll be back for sure. Fuck the umbrella. We gonna get wet in the rain.
Come rain or shine, we don't stop drinking. All right, Zusha, how are you feeling?
Sober.
Well, then it's time to get.
Unsober.
Let's go! Do you think every Instagrammable spot is possibly a date night spot?
No, I don't think so. There could be like a cool Instagrammable spot that has like Dragon Ball Z all over the place.
Well,
but that's
that's
not like
definitely a
date
date spot.
night. No.
Spot number 2, named after the very iconic Hadid sister.
Is it?
I don't know, man. This is very new age aesthetic.
No, not at all.
I mean, no. But I
No.
mean, the vibe is vintage and retro.
Yes.
Like an old school living room, but it's new.
By age.
Yeah. Would it be neo vintage? Is that the correct word for
I
it?
guess so. I guess we can look it up.
How are you doing, brother?
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing
nice
good.
to see you again.
We're back. We're very excited to get some more drinks. We're already a couple of drinks down.
Let's get some more drinks for you.
Yeah. Past meets present. That does. This is exactly what I'm saying. New vintage.
Neo vintage.
New vintage.
There we go.
Brother.
from another mother.
Will you help us with some drinks?
Gigi's Genji basically is a type of a new era cocktail in a classic way. This is a kind of a picante.
Let's go.
We're sold, brother.
Let's go.
Trying to get a whiskey.
Japanese twist to
Okay.
the whiskey sour. We have given a Japanese twist to
Sure.
all of our cocktails.
Okay.
Oh, really? Oh, interesting.
Tokyo Sour
Tokyo
and
Sour
Gigi's
and
Genji.
Gigi Genji.
Gigi's Genji it
Let's
is.
go. This is truly quite an Instagrammable bar. Everything from like the decor
Yeah.
to the cool tricks the bartenders perform. Like what I'm saying is, this guy got moves.
Boom, let's go.
No, not those moves.
Oh,
Shiva.
no, sorry. Thank you so much, brother.
So there's some mint infused olive oil also on the top.
This is some kadak mirchi.
Yeah.
Jalapeno, but
This
okay,
is
some,
jalapeno.
but like lots of them.
Have you like you have tried pani puri, right?
This is yeah.
So you get the chaska of pani puri, like
100%.
Yeah.
What do we have here? The Tokyo Sour. Cheers. Very different. I mean, it's very
Smell it. From
yeah,
here.
very citrusy for sure. Kind of sweet. It's got that little orange sweetness. There's no egg. There's no vegan foamer as well. It's actually a
This
very
is so tasty.
quite a lot of ingredients as compared to a regular whiskey sour, which is essentially like 3 things.
It's amazing.
Always let the lady carry your glass, so that you're ready to fight in case an intruder comes.
The table is a mirror.
That-
Instagram moment. As we've gotten progressively drunker, our selfies have gotten worse.
I took one in the washroom as well.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, of course. You come into the washroom and you're like, damn, I'm looking kind of sexy, and then you pull one of these out. The attention to detail across the restaurant is immaculate.
That if you like sweeter everything, then this is not going to be for you because it's very tikka. Tikka?
Tikka.
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 What the fuck? Tikka.
Tikka.
Bol?
Tikka.
Huh, but normally bol?
Tikka.
Normally, why are you saying like an Asian person?
Which
Tikka.
we're all Asian, first of all. Tikka.
Okay, would you come on a date here?
Would I come on a first date here? Perhaps.
Second date's at home.
Men! Like if I had to give an anti-tip, it would be what they just said. Second date is not in your
Because
house.
women can't give the tip, only we got. Thank you.
Ooh, looks good.
So this is why it's
It's a
called a dragon. This is the
dragon.
dragon's tail. This is the dragon's horn.
Should
Okay.
we call it Toothless? Toothless the dragon.
Teakless.
Tea-
Chin. खाना पीना हो गया तो एक और drink हो जाए.
Now go.
Let's go.
Chanel number 5 with a lovely drink. It's a gin-based drink.
Yeah.
There's umeshu. Have you heard about umeshu?
Yeah, Japanese liqueur.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Damn. So yeah, thanks. यार मेरा तो पता रहेगा.
This is absinthe.
Oh. Drink that I've been eyeing for a second. It's Naruto's dream. I have another party to get to, so I guess it'll wake me up and fuck me up.
Exactly, at the same time.
That's what we need.
Wake me up and fuck me up.
Okay, we're gonna be honest with you, man. This last drink took a while to get to us.
But I don't care because it's so pretty.
Okay, that's pretty fucking good, yeah. Well textured espresso martini for sure.
This is very, very gin forward. You can really taste the gin. It's balanced well with like the other
Elements.
fancy stuff. It's soft forward.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, it's kinda nice.
You can't taste the alcohol in
Yeah.
it, which is nice.
Can you chug it?
No.
Come on.
No, no.
Come on.
No, 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 no. घंटा भाड़ में जाओ.
हम चक कर रहे हैं.
नहीं कर सकती हूँ यार. Twerk, twerk, twerk. I dare you to get up and twerk right now. Do it then. Shake your butt. Shake your butt, Shivam. Not at me. Chuck.
JMD.
Oh my god.
I can see my brain disintegrating right now. मेरी फट गई है भाई. Okay, I'm gonna have some water. That's helping, right? दारू जितनी चक करवानी है करवा लो. पानी चक नहीं हो पाता. That's the true mark of real nectar. I know what I'm saying.
This has been fun. We need to sober up now.
Or stay.
Wasted! I'm very drunk.
I'm gonna say
11,000.
9,500.
18,000.
18,000. 9,200.
Stay wasted.
Yusuf.
Thank you for very drunk. To be completely honest, I don't know how to operate a camera. How does one turn this off?
All right, Risha. How was the night? How was the day?
Very drunk.
Okay,
I like the Naruto.
Yeah?
The Naruto.
sure. मैंने खाया पूरा sticker भाई.
Oh, you ate the. Are you supposed to?
You're supposed to eat it, right?
I don't know.
I don't know.
My favorite cocktail also was the Naruto.
Hmm.
I also really enjoyed the Tokyo Sour.
The Tokyo Sour. It's one of the prettier restaurants that I've been at.
Solid spot.
Very good.
Instagrammable. Definitely. Great date spot.
Yes.
Just drinks wise, I thought Olive was a little higher up.
Yeah, Olive is definitely up there, but it's also been around for so long.
So I guess
Like it's been around for 25 years, so they've tried and tested their menu to a point where they've like properly perfected it. As a new opening, these guys are pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
on that note, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Keep following Unsobered.
And stay wasted.
Oh shit.
But my phone is there. I left my phone.
Bug.
Do susu and go, otherwise you'll have to like stick your nunnu out the window and pee.
Most men are growers. The showers barely grow. So the growers, tell us in the comments.